Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are back with another reaction video.
Yes, and this time this is Citizen trailer.
Yes.
And we have Tala Ajit sir here. We
Right.
have a lot of requests to give
Give
our
our
reaction
on this
trailer.
particular trailer.
Yes, so this is Citizen,
Yes.
and let's get started. We don't know much about it because we have not seen that today. Only
Right.
we are seeing, and
Yes.
it seems like very good movie.
And also we don't know when this movie
Yeah.
got released. I think this
Correct.
trailer whoever have published
Yes.
they have published in 2018.
18.
So I don't I'm not sure that this is a original trailer or not, or this is fan made trailer.
Yeah, but it seems like this is not a very old movie.
Yes.
It is like 1 year old movie, which I am thinking 1 or 2 years maximum.
2-3 years it
Maybe,
can be, yeah.
not that old movie.
So only after seeing this trailer only we will be able to figure out how old this movie is.
And
If
what is the
picturization and all
Yeah.
is from pretty much old movie, then will definitely this will be some older person we can say.
Correct. So let's get started. We don't know much about the context also as well.
Yes.
So let's get started. I really hope that you'll like this content, and if you do so, don't forget to subscribe, and also please
Yes.
click on the notification bell. So chalo, let's get started.
Yeah.
I think it is fan made, not original. Right?
Yeah.
அந்த உப்பு காத்துல எங்க மக்களின் ஓலம் இப்போ கேட்கும் கரமண்ணு நெஞ்ச பொழந்து கிடக்கும் கற்பு கரைசி அகலிங்க கல்லா போன மாதிரி என் கிராமமும் மண்ணா போச்சு இனி எந்த ராமன் வந்தாலும் பிரயோஜனம் இல்லை இந்த நீதிமன்றத்தை ஒழிக்கிற என்னோட குரல் அழிக்கப்பட்ட ஒரு சமுதாயத்தோட கடைசி கதறல் நான் தனியால் இல்ல துடிக்க துடிக்க படுகொலை செய்யப்பட்ட 690 பேர் ஆத்மா.
Okay. Lower caste, upper caste.
அந்தோணி இல்ல அப்துல்லா அப்துல்லா நான் இங்க வர சொன்னது உங்களோட சிரிச்சு பேசி சந்தோஷமா லவ் பண்ணிட்டாங்க. The citizenship of all the accused and their relatives should be cancelled immediately without mercy.
இவன் பிடிபட்டா அத்திப்பட்டியோட சரித்திரம் வெளியே வரும்.
Oh. All kind of look.
Yeah.
See?
அத்திப்பட்டி
இந்துவா பிறந்த ஒருத்தன் கிறிஸ்துவனா வளர்ந்த ஒருத்தன் 2 பேருமே ஒண்ணுதான். அவன் தான் நாம தேடிட்டு இருக்க சிட்டிசன்.
citizen.
Okay.
Okay.
So obviously this is not a original trailer,
Yes.
fan made, and they have included the
Yes,
small
right.
clips or glimpses of the movie.
Yes, and one
So-
more thing, we were wrong that this is means 1 year or 2 year old
Yes, we
movie.
are definitely wrong.
Definitely we are
This is
wrong.
very old movie.
I think minimum 15 years back this
Yeah.
got released. I
Yes,
think so.
yes, yeah, because Ajit sir was looking very young also
Yes,
as
and
well.
also picturization and all we are able
It
to
is,
figure out
pretty
with
much
that.
older.
I guess.
Correct.
So I think
So
what
the
story
content-wise, that's
context
what-
what I think it was the fight or something right of the citizen.
Right of the citizen. I
Something
think
was
this
there.
is based on some lower caste and upper caste collision, and it is based on the fight to get the right.
I don't think it
because
was
no,
a
why?
lower
Because,
caste upper caste. I think
because some farmers were there, and they will kill some people, high caste wala people. What I understood, and that kid will be there in the river, and somehow he got like rescued, and he will become that Abdullah or something Muslim guy. I think he will be raised in some Muslim family, and after that only some story will come, like he will fight against the citizenship and all. So a lot of different disguised face of Talaji sir we saw. One is like some Christian,
different looks,
one is lawyer, another is a old farmer with back teeth and all.
Right.
So that is very incredible, like all of the looks were like
Yes.
suited in him
But
so
that can
perfectly.
be, yeah,
Yeah.
that can be. But what I think that it's
Yes.
based upon the right of the citizen, irrespective of different type of caste or creed,
Oh, okay.
anything it can happen. So I
Okay.
think totally based, it's revolving how he is fighting for the rights of the people.
Maybe
I
that
think
can be happened,
Right.
because why I understood, why I told that thing, because I understood, like at the very first beginning of the clip it was showing a village,
Right.
and in that village some small ghar was there, some
Yes.
villages
Right,
village
some
kind of
huts and
cottage
all.
huts you can say,
Yeah.
and there only some people are there with that fetti in the head, especially which farmers actually wear. So by that only I understood that I think it is a lower caste and upper caste collision,
It can
like
happen,
Asuran
yeah.
we saw, right? Kind of like that, but not story wise, it is completely different. I'm
Yes.
just saying about the
Some
appearance.
time of some type of context you can say that.
Yeah,
Yes.
so we can be wrong. Please let us know, whoever have seen
I
that
think
movie.
I think this time we might be partially right.
Partially right.
50% or less than 50% we
Yes.
might be right. Yes, because sometimes language also we didn't understand some part. But just we
language
can,
we couldn't understand, but
Right.
we are just guessing by seeing the
Picturization, whatever the
picturization.
pictures
But
we
it
have
is
seen
pretty
in the
clear,
video.
right?
Yes, yes,
The context
right.
was pretty clear. Whoever have made it is very good. Actually, they have put each and every glimpses whichever
Yeah.
are required to understand the trailer fully.
Yes.
So it is a very good trailer actually.
Yes, of course, yeah, right.
Okay. So if you have any original version of it, you can share the link with us. We can definitely give a reaction on the original trailer, so that
Yes.
we can understand more, because
Yeah.
original content always are
that will
good
be the
only.
best. Yes,
That will be
handmade,
best.
depending upon
Yeah.
individual choice they can make.
Yes,
And,
yes,
and
true.
original will be, they will look for the mass gathering, how they will feel.
Yes.
Yes.
So overall, it is seeming like very good content, because it is a fight to get the right and all. So
Yes.
this kind of content. Actually,
Obviously,
it
yes,
shows
yes.
a lot of messages to the society, and also will be a lot of learning points to see this kind of movie, right? Lawful.
And in this movie only, I
acts and
think Ajit sir, how much get up he has taken.
Yeah, a lot of disguised.
I don't know how much
saw.
actually it's there in the movie, but in
Movie.
trailer we have seen 5-6 different get-ups. Yes.
Lawyer था, फिर farmers,
Police
and
also was
police
there.
was there, and then one at the last I think some Christian guy that was also there. So we are not sure why he is just changing his get-ups, and what is the context and what is the reason behind it, we don't know. So
Yeah,
after
of
seeing
course,
only
of
the
course,
movie, we
we have
can
to see the
understand the
movie for
context
that,
of it.
yeah.
But overall, it is a good content and 10 on 10, because
Yes.
I really like this kind of unique storyline, and also the execution of each and every scene, and also Talajit sir's expression
right.
was very good.
He's a
Right, his
good actor,
expression,
yeah.
and his appearance was like marvelous.
Yes.
It was like so good. So 10 on 10 from my side.
Yeah,
What about
of course,
you? 10 on
of course.
10, right?
Whatever the context and whatever the
Yeah.
storyline will be there, I think for that we can give.
Yes. So I don't think any songs or any that kind of
There
thing
will
is
be.
not there. I think
in-
very less,
yeah.
right?
There
One
will
we
be,
saw,
yes. Yes.
वो तो जो लड़की थी.
Yes.
Yes, she's also very pretty. I think she's name is Vasundhara, if I'm not wrong, because
How
she's
you
a
knew?
singer.
Okay.
Actually, in Bollywood also I have seen her singing some songs.
Oh, actually I didn't know her.
Yes, yes.
I think I
actually.
haven't seen her.
No. I have seen her in some of the Bollywood movies
Yes.
also, but I may be wrong. But yes, her name is Vasundhara, what I
Okay.
can recall. So yeah, overall it is a good content and good scene we have seen today, and I really hope that you like this content. Now this is the time to read the comments for today.
Yes. So the first comment for today is from Sanjay J. He is writing his comment on Mr. and Mrs. Ramachari trailer reaction. He is saying that yes, it's a family entertainment and it's the industry hit movie, biggest blockbuster in Kannada movie.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. It was looking like
It
that
was looking
only.
like
yes.
that only, as we told that it is looking
Yeah.
like some blockbuster hit,
hit
kind of
movie and
movie with
family
lot
kind of
of
movie, yes.
with lot of good songs, super hit songs, a lot
lot
of
of
foreign
action,
pictures,
yes.
foreign backgrounds,
Yeah,
picturizations.
right.
It was just looking like that, and that kind of movie always be blockbuster
Yes,
hit.
of course.
Okay, every time. So yeah, definitely we also thought
Definitely,
like
yes.
that, and thank you so much, for commenting and for letting us know this thing.
Yeah.
So the second comment for today's video is from Akash Lion, and he is asking, I seeing your all of your videos, I like you very much. In all video you are saying Mr. and Mrs. Pandit. What is your full name?
Okay. So
Okay, so tell your name first.
yeah. So my name is Abhay Kumar Pandit.
Yes, and my name is Anandita Datta Pandit.
Yes. So that's why we have given this channel name as Mr. and Mrs.
Mrs.
Pandit.
Pandit. Yes. So I hope now you know our names, and
Yes.
definitely you can call us by our names only.
Yes.
No need to call Mr. and Mrs. Pandit. Just because our surname is, we decided to give our channel name as Mr. and
Yes.
Mrs. Pandit, and it sounds cool.
Right.
We think so. So thank you so much, Akash Lion, for watching and for commenting on our videos. So the third comment for today's video is from Barjin Bain 93, and he is telling, wow, says 100k views cross, the views super dear.
Okay.
So thank you so much.
And
Yes.
he's writing his comment on the Bigil Vijay Mas police station scene,
which
Yes.
crossed 100k
100k,
views.
and this is the first video where we have crossed 100k.
Yes,
Just
we are
because of
very-
you guys, you have
Yes.
supported us a lot. We have loved you have loved us a lot.
Yeah, so that means
Yes.
a lot to us,
Right.
that this video crossed 100k views, and thank you so much. Keep supporting us like that only, and give
Yes, of
more
course.
views,
Without
give
you
more
guys,
love.
we can't cross this.
Yes, definitely, it is all your credit.
Yes.
And definitely we are very grateful for that. So thank you so much, Barjin Bain, for commenting on our videos and for watching our videos.
Yes,
and
and thanks
this guy
a lot.
always give positive responses on our
Yes.
channel. So thank you so much, Barjin, especially
For
we are
supporting us,
especially
and also
we are
whenever
telling to
we
you-
tell that people
Yeah.
are disheartening us
Yeah.
or giving us negative comment, this guy also
this guy
comes and
always
support
comes
us.
and support. So
So
we are
thanks a
very
lot.
happy, and you are our genuine friend, buddy.
Yes.
So yeah, God bless you always.
Right.
So thank you so much, each and everyone whoever have commented, who are
Yeah.
our subscribers, who watch our videos in a regular basis. That means a lot to us. Keep supporting us, keep watching our videos, and stay safe, stay home.
Yes.
And this is the most important thing
Right.
right now. And if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe, and also please click on the like button to like
Yes.
this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.
Bye.